Yo, what's up, you guys? Barry K. Brown here, the Killer Poet, and today I'm going to leave you a review of the flagship AWAI product, the Accelerated Program for Six-Figure Copywriting. So let's get into it. If you've ever read this letter right here, and no lie, I read this letter and it changed my life. If you've ever read this letter, can you write a letter like this one? And you said yes, then this review is for you. Right? If you believe that you can write a letter like this one, and you believe that the skill of copywriting can be used as a vehicle towards your life of freedom and abundance, then this video is for you. And I hope that you can use this video to make an informed decision about purchasing this course if you choose to go that route. So let me explain a little bit about before we get into the review so that you can make an as informed decision as possible. So yeah, my name, like I said, is Barry K. Brown. I came into copywriting as a poet, right? So I was already a writer when I came into copywriting, and that's rare in and of itself. Most copywriters didn't get here through copywriting. They kind of stumbled into it on accident. I've been a member of AWAI for 8 years, so I purchased this course a while ago, and I've been practicing it for a while. I've accomplished a modest amount of success in those 8 years after purchasing this course. So I've managed to land a huge client in Agora Financial. I worked for Agora Financial for a year. I've earned $50,000 directly from my writing so far. It's not, it's not the six figures that they promised, but I'm still working. I'm well on my way. It's more than nothing, which is what I thought I would make as a poet, right? So, I've also been able to take corporate sponsored vacations around the world, right? So, one of the companies that I work for actually took me to a resort, an international resort, and it was all paid for, all expenses paid for. It was great. So that does happen. They mentioned that happening for you in the letter is possible, and it definitely happened for me. I've been able to meet business leaders, influential business leaders, and thought leaders all throughout the world, like Rich Jeffrin, let's see, Evaldo Albuquerque. And if you check my LinkedIn and my Facebook friends, I have some solid connections, right? I have some decent people in my Rolodex. I know some people who are worth knowing. Right? And for the past 3 years, I've been able to live as a digital nomad, right? Thanks to my copywriting skills and income. So, yeah, it's not, I'm not unbiased. This isn't an unbiased review. I took this course and I made these things happen for myself. So I completely believe in this course and what it can do for you, right? So take that bias with a grain of salt, but I'm going to try to give you an objective review here, as objective as I can make it. So what we're going to talk about in this review, we're going to talk about the course, right, which is what you're looking at right here. We're going to talk about the quality and quantity of the content within the course. We're going to talk about how easy that content is to consume, and we're going to talk about the results that you can expect immediately upon completion. So that's the 3 categories: quality of content, ease of consumption, and the results that you can expect. We're going to rate each one of those things 1 through 5, and yeah, that'll be the review. So here we go. In terms of quality of content, this program is aces. This program is all aces. 5 out of 5 in terms of quality of content, because at the end of the day, what they're giving you here are the foundations of a sales skill that you can use to build your life. Right? As long as people communicate, use written communications to buy and sell things from each other, this skill is worth it. This skill is worth learning for sure. Right? So $500 to get a a solid foundation of that skill. Like if you have no sales skills, yes, buy this course right now because you need it. You need it. If you have a few sales skills already, buy this course, and it will help you. It will open you up to a new world of sales, and it will also help you refine your sales skill further, right? It'll give you a new way to approach your sales communications. Overall, this course is broken up into 5 parts. Each part is between like 60 to like 150, 200 pages long, right? Depends on which part you're on. Like part 4, I think, is the longest. And overall, there's like 730 pages of content, right? So it's about the size. If it were physical, it would be about the size of like a textbook, like a college textbook. So this is really like you're getting what you pay for. You're absolutely getting what you pay for in terms of the volume and the quality of content that you get here. And because it's like a college course, I recommend that you put that level of dedication, focus, and attention to completing this course, because it will require it. You get 20 exercises that will help you complete the course and refine your skills as you go throughout, right? You see right here the practice exercises. You also get a glossary to help you learn the jargon terms that are in the book, so you're not lost in the sauce, just not really knowing what people are talking about. You also get access to, in your members area, you get access to the community through Facebook and LinkedIn and the other forums that are in the community. You also get access to the $10,000 challenge that AWAI presents, which could be your first opportunity to earn money as a copywriter through AWAI. So in terms of content, man, you get access to a whole lot, and all of it is quality. All of it is quality stuff, right? So 5 out of 5, like I said, in terms of information. In terms of ease of consumption, I would say this isn't the easiest course to consume. Why? Because it is self-guided. It's a self-guided course. So it's just you versus you. There's no one holding you accountable to finishing the course. There's no one holding you accountable to doing it the right way. There's no one holding you accountable to, anything really. It's just you. You buy the course, and it's up to you to do with it what you will. Make of it what you will. Excuse me. Right? And for a lot of people, I know like that is a huge obstacle, just overcoming your own beliefs and mindset or whatever that you have around completing this course. But to help you get through it, the program does offer you a 90-day success plan that breaks down what you should be completing in the course each week, right? So it gives you milestones to complete each week. And so at the end of like 12 or 13 weeks, whatever 90 days is, like you'll be there. You'll have finished the course, ideally. I know for me personally, because like I said, like your biggest opposition is you in terms of completing this course. It took me like about 3 years to finish this course after I first bought it. So from when I first bought it to actually completing it and earning my stamp of verification, it took 3 years, just because I would start it, stop, start, stop. Like I started and stopped the program over about like 3 or 4 times before I finished it. So for that reason, it's a 2 out of 5. It's simple to do, but it's not easy, right? So 2 out of 5. 3 out of 5 if you're in a group. 4 out of 5 if you're in like a really tight group and you guys all trust each other and you are really focused on getting this done. But if you're just like some regular dude, like, yeah, 2 out of 5 in terms of ease of consumption. Immediate results that you can expect after completing this course. So yeah, don't expect huge results after completing this course. Like, yeah, they say in the letter that you can use these skills to build a career of 6 figures or more, you can use this career, you can use the skill to put yourself in positions where your vacations are paid for. You can use the skill to put yourself in position where uh, like you can live and work from wherever you want throughout the world. You can use these skills. You can use these skills to build the life of freedom and abundance that you desire. However, completing the course by itself will not immediately make that happen for you. You will still have a whole lot of work to do before that life is a reality for you, right? And that takes however much time it takes for you. But when you buy this course, you will have the foundation of the skills that you need in order to make that life happen, right? You'll be well on your way. Once you finish this course, you'll be well on your way to making that life happen. It won't take very long. It takes as long as you let it, honestly. So yeah, in terms of immediate results, don't expect immediate results, but the upside, the long-term results are, like I said, endless, immeasurable, right? I've been doing this for 8 years and I'm on my way to making 6 figures, but I'm not there yet. And I've done a lot of the cool things that they mentioned in this letter already. So yeah, in my opinion, this program is 100% worth it. If you're thinking about making the investment, do it. In terms of immediate results that you'll get is about, I call it average, right? It's 3 out of 5, because once you complete most courses throughout the world, like think about when you completed your math class in college, or like when you completed, English as a high school senior, right? Right. What immediate results did you get after completing that class, right? Nothing. Right? So in terms of immediate results, it's about average, right? But in terms of long-term results, it's 5 out of 5. In immediate results, it's 3 out of 5 because you get nothing except for the actual skill that I promise that you'll earn, assuming that you complete the course the right way. So yeah, that's it. That's my review of AWAI. If you are interested in purchasing the course, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you choose to buy the course through that link, I will get a commission. If you like this content, give me a like. Let me know in the comments below if you've taken this course, what you think of it, or if you're thinking about buying the course, what makes you attracted to it. And yeah, we'll have a great discussion. I look forward to speaking with you guys. This is Bear K. Brown, the Killer Poet, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.